parties and enjoyment and lots of different events and stuff. Teppellini must definitely.
We are here 35 years. We don't have any service charge. Clean.
Thank you very much, sir. Late one. I'd like to show you at the marina. What's it like down the marina? As you see, stay with me, be with me. And or Sainsbury's or wherever is all around the Marmaris is lots of camera. Nothing for lira, but it's similar kind of things. Looking for some little gift. It's very famous with the cheeses as well, you know, guys. You need to come for a cheese. If you... The walls stays, just the windows goes away. The renew it. The hotels like 6.5 lira, 6 lira, like £3, £3. Everything you're looking to see the name of the shop. Get an order ready and send it for Christmas at the moment. But it's big enough for this city. So you want to check the market and this shop actually, what's the price like that, and you're gonna enjoy it, and I know you.
Sometimes I feel weak, I can't move my feet. Now we're miles away. Sometimes I can't breathe.
You know what? Running in the water. Going home. It is all quiet. All sunbeds gone away. Bodrum, Antalya, Izmir. Sundays even 30 degrees. I'm gonna try to show you. Wow, is it right next to Blue Port? And good times, good vibes with me. Enjoy with me. Next video I'm gonna go a little bit further down, or I'm gonna go to the other side. I'm gonna show and just turn right from this. Make more videos, guys. Press that like button, comments below. It does for me to make more videos in this. The one of them is called Bimbir Çeşit. Everything you're looking for you find on this corner, and it's so cheap as well. Has similar kind of stuff, but each of them has a different, or maybe school stuff. But it has everything you're looking for definitely in here. In meat, sausages, salami, spice sausages, cheese.